Good morning, students of class 7. In today's online class, we will revise chapter number 1, Computer External Hardware. In this part of the video, we will discuss objective questions. First question, tick the correct answer. We have the first one, the hardware components that convey information to the user is called output devices. Second, a scanner is an dash. So a scanner is an input device. Third, a dash is a flat pressure sensitive surface that is used in notebook computer. The answer will be touch pad. Dash is a scanner that read marks on specific areas of the page. The answer is OMR, and the full form of OMR is optical mark recognition. Fifth one, CD-ROM and DVD-ROM are the example of your input storage devices. The storage capacity of a single DVD-ROM disk is 4 GB. Now, true false. A keyboard has 2 buttons on the top of it. So this statement is false, and the correct statement is a mouse has 2 buttons on the top of it. Second, joystick is mainly used to play games on a computer. True. We should move 2 fingers apart to zoom in the touchscreen. True. The monitor is also called VDU. True. Fifth, a CD-ROM can hold up to 5 GB of data. This is false. The correct answer is the CD-ROM can hold up to 700 MB of data. Next, we have a communication device that is used to type hardware capable of transmitting data. This is also true. We have the full forms. First one, DVD-ROM. Here you can write digital versatile disk read only memory. Second, CD-ROM. Full form is compact disk read only memory. Third, PPM, pages per minute. LPM, lines per minute. Fifth, CPS, characters per second. Then we have the next one, sixth, USB, universal serial bus. And the last one, BD, that is Blu-ray disc. Now, move to your filling the blanks. Dash is a collection of related instructions organized for a common purpose. So here you can write software or program. Next, the information printed on a paper is known as hard copy or printout. You can write any of the answer in your examination. Dash is a sophisticated printer used to produce high quality drawings such as blueprint, maps and circuit diagrams. The answer is plotter. Plotter is a sophisticated printer. A Blu-ray disc has storage capacity of 100 GB. Fifth one, Dash is a voice input device used to send our voice into the computer. The answer is microphone. You have the last fill up. Dash lets the user guide on-screen element using air gesture. The answer is motion input. Right. Now, rest of the terms we will see the answer in the slide. So let's take a look. Define the following. First, trackball. It is similar to the mouse, but the roller ball is mounted on the top and the user spins the ball in various directions to affect cursor movement. Second, touchpad. There you can write it is a flat pressure sensitive surface that is used in notebook computer. You can move the mouse pointer by moving your finger along the surface of the pad. Third, motion input. It is a user guide on-screen element using air gesture. Air gesture involve moving your body on a handheld input device through the air. Graphical tablet. It is an input device used to draw images on the computer as well as to give instructions to the computer. Next term is webcam. It is a real-time camera that enables a user to capture video and still images, make video telephone calls, etc. Next term is digicam. This term you can define as it is an input device used to capture and store photographs electronically in the computer. Then barcode reader. It is an input device used to input data from barcodes. Last term is MICR. It is an input device used to read and identify magnetized character printed on the document such as check. Move to describe the various types of the following. First, keyboard. The different types of keyboards are: number 1, wireless keyboard. It is a battery powered device that transmits data to the system unit using wireless technology. Second, compact keyboard. They are smaller than a standard keyboard and usually does not include the numeric keypad. Third, virtual keyboard. It is a software component that allows a user to enter text. And fourth one is braille keyboard. It is meant for the blind or visually impaired people to input information in a computer. Next term, mouse. We have 5 types of mouse. First, mechanical mouse. It detects the mouse movement in any direction with a rubber ball on its underside. Second, optical mouse. It uses laser technology to compare and tracks the position of the mouse. Third, wireless mouse. It is a battery powered device that transmits data through wireless technology. Fourth, air mouse. It is a motion sensing mouse that allows you to control objects by moving the mouse in predetermined direction through the air. And last one is touch mouse. It is a touch sensitive mouse that recognizes touch gesture. Move to scanner. We have 2 types of scanners. First, flatbed scanner. It creates a file of the document in computer memory instead of a paper copy. Second, handheld scanner. It is a portable device. This scanner is dragged over the object to be scanned. Monitor. We also have 3 types of monitors. First, CRT monitor. These monitors are large in size and take up more desk space. Second, LCD monitor. They uses liquid crystal display to produce images. And third, LED monitor. They uses light emitting diode technology for backlight to produce images.